Everest Base Camp Trek and gear. It's a difficult subject, isn't it? And I'm gonna talk a bit about the sunglasses for that. When I was trekking when I was younger, I always did it with sunglasses, normal ones like sports glasses that have a wraparound to protect you from the glare. Now I'm getting a bit older and I need some multifocal sunglasses. They're very difficult to find, especially multifocal sports glasses. So I found them through a company in Belgium, Hoet Optiek. They are the inventors actually of these Seiko XChanger multifocal sunglasses. And they are 3D printed to your head. As you can see, they are great wraparounds. You can take them in any color you like. And they are so comfortable to wear. You have them in normal sunglasses, but you also have them in changing lenses. So you can use them as normal glasses for inside as well. So excellent for that base camp trek where you don't want to carry too much stuff around. So if you need sunglasses for running, biking, sports, whatever, multifocal, Seiko XChanger, your choice.